Hi friends, the conditions in our life continue. So today we have improbable conditions or imaginary conditions. Some people call it imaginary conditions. In the conditional clause you have past perfect, and in the main clause you have future perfect in the past. As you can see here, see the first sentence. If you had come, that is, if clause you have the past perfect, main clause, I would have helped you. I would have helped you. That is, future perfect in the past. Have helped. Perfect tense. Would have helped. Would is the past form of will, and therefore future perfect in the past. Imaginary condition or improbable condition. Why? Nothing had taken place. Nothing had happened. Simply a dream. You see, if I had become the President of India, I would have loved everyone. So I am not the president, I will never become the president. So there's no question of my loving. So that's the imaginary condition. Or what we say, improbable condition. Listen. If I had the power to stop the sun, I would have examined the sun. Impossible. Things which neither can I nor can you do. Nobody can do it. So this is, then you will ask me, why should we have this kind of thing? Because you always live in the world of imagination. Isn't it? If I had had that thing, I would have done that, like that. So this is an imagination. Imaginary condition. I think it is clear to you. If clause you have past perfect, and that means had plus past participle, and in the main clause you have future perfect in the past. Let's go through all these examples and then we will get it much better. Second sentence, if I had slept well, I would have become fresh. I did not sleep, so I am not fresh. If we had done our best, they would have selected us. We did not do our best, so they did not select us. Fourth one, if you had gone there, they would have honored you. He did not go, so no honoring took place. Fifth one, if he had respected her, she would have married him. That's the thing. If you had respected her, you did not respect her and she did not marry him. And then he would have gone to America if you had helped him. He did not go to America, you did not help him. She would have done her doctorate if you had encouraged her. You did not encourage, she did not do the doctorate. Now you have got the fill-in exercise. If they had worked hard, they would have passed. They would have passed. Ninth one, if I had, past perfect of have is had. One had is the had, which must be there for the past perfect. The second is the past participle of have. Just as have come or have run, have sung, have drunk. Sorry, had drunk, not have had. Had gone, had eaten, had. So sometimes you will ask, why should there be had? One had is there. had, that is there, that should be there, for the past perfect. And the next had is the past participle form of have. Like had taken, had had. Had gone, had had. That's all. So if I had had a happy childhood, I would have enjoyed it. I did not have a happy childhood and I did not enjoy it. And the last one, we would have run faster if we had heard the whistle. If we had heard the whistle. Okay. Now a point to be noted is, when you have I had, you had, she had, he had, we had, they had, that can be shortened like this. And especially in when you are spoken English, when you are speaking English. So then what happens is you shorten it. You don't say I had or I had come, I had come. You had come, she had come, she had come, he had come, they had come, we had come, I had come. Like this. I had can be shortened. Understand? I think now that is very clear to you. So these are the 4 types of conditions. First one 0. If there is a will, there is a way. Both present simple. Second one possible. If you come, I will help you. If clause present simple and main clause future simple. If you came, I would help you. Probable condition. If clause simple past and main clause future would help. Future past. If clause past simple, main clause future past, would come, would go like that. Improbable conditions, 4th type, past perfect in the if clause. If you had come, main clause, future perfect in the past. I would have helped you. Got the point? So 4 types of conditions, yes. And we saw, when you say I had, you had, he had. When you are speaking English, even writing, we can use it. You have a tendency to shorten that had to D. So I had will become I had. We had, you had, they had. I am, you are. That you should be there, or I should be there. Had can be shortened. I think now that is clear to you. So we will move on to our next lesson in grammar. In this lesson, that is the danger of a single story. Given in this lesson, the danger of a single story, as soon as, no sooner, and so on in the next class. Till then, bye.